Harley riders, look away. Honda just did the unthinkable. They took the best cruiser engine in the segment and paired it with a technology that purists despise. This is the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. It's a killer cruiser, powerful, comfortable, and priced under $10,000. But here's the kicker, it's an automatic. No clutch, no shifting, no hassle. Is this dual-clutch transmission the future of comfortable cruising, or has Honda stripped the very soul out of the American cruiser experience? We rode the DCT version to find out if taking the shifting away makes the ride better, or just boring. Let's tackle the elephant in the room, the DCT system. For those unfamiliar, DCT means there is no clutch lever and no foot shifter. The bike changes gears for you, just like an automatic car. You simply twist and go. In the US, cruising is about the connection, the ritual of riding, pulling the clutch, heel-toe shifting, and feeling that mechanical engagement. DCT eliminates that completely. Purists argue that an automatic cruiser is an insult to the tradition of riding. They say, if you can't shift, you shouldn't be on a bike. However, proponents, especially commuters and riders with bad knees, call the DCT revolutionary. It makes stop-and-go traffic effortless and allows you to focus 100% on the road and the scenery. Honda has done an incredible job with the mapping. It shifts fast and precisely, often better than a human. Controversy aside, the rest of the Rebel 1100 is pure Honda brilliance. The 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, borrowed from the Africa Twin, is fantastic. It's got torque for days and a great rumble from the exhaust. Crucially, this bike is built for comfort. The Rebel 1100 feels light, handles surprisingly well for a cruiser, and the rider modes, standard, sport, rain, are easily adjustable. And yes, unlike some competitors, you get excellent, reliable ABS braking as standard. For less than $10,000, you are getting modern technology and legendary Honda reliability. You get a machine that is comfortable for a weekend trip but agile enough to carve corners without feeling like a massive, clumsy bagger. So, is the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT the right cruiser for you? The verdict, yes by IT if you are a commuter, a new rider, or anyone who values safety, reliability, and sheer effortless riding. The DCT system is a genuine game-changer for those who just want to ride without the mechanical strain. This is a legitimate Harley-Killer for its price and technology. But if you are a cruiser purist who lives and breathes that clutch and shift ritual, stick to the standard manual transmission version of the Rebel 1100. The DCT is amazing technology, but it irrevocably changes the essence of the cruiser experience. Choose wisely, convenience or tradition. Clutch or DCT? Which side are you on? Tell me in the comments below. If you're ready to buy, hit that like button and subscribe to AutoReview Zone channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for riding with us.